Hi Stampers, it's Madeline from the wonderlandstamper.com. Today we're going to be making this adorable card using Petal Palette from the 2018 Occasions catalog and Happy Wishes from the Sale-a-bration catalog. Okay, to make this gorgeous card, these are the things that we're going to be using during 32nd Thursday. Petal Palette. This is a stamp set and framelit bundle that I keep going back to for more and more. There are gorgeous projects on Pinterest, and there are so many different ideas that you can come up with using this set. So this is in the new Occasions catalog, and I love it. And I also have some videos previously where I used this set in depth, and also some blog posts over on my website. So if you're as in love with this as I am, you should go check it out. If you buy this bundle on my 24/7 online shop, the link to my blog will be below, and you can go over and get this set, see it from my shopping supply list down on my blog post. If you buy this bundle, you'll save 10%, so you'll get this stamp set along with the framelits, which are gorgeous as well. If you buy this, you can get a Sale-a-bration item for free. So any of the $50 Sale-a-bration items you can get for free. If you spend a little bit more, you can get this beautiful stamp set, Happy Wishes, that we're using today. It has so many different stamps in it. It's versatile. You can use it for years to come. I love it. So let's get started with our project for today. So this is the card we're going to be using. I'm also going to be using the blends. So I did a little bit of everything on this card using the Petal Palette for these, and then the Happy Wishes for this. What you're going to need for this card is a piece of fresh fig, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, a piece of old olive that is 4 by 5 1/4, and a piece of very vanilla that is 3 3/4 by 5. You'll also need a scrap piece of Whisper White so that we can do these flowers. I'll be using Memento ink because we'll be using the blends, old olive, and Memento for this as well. And then we'll be using the Stampin' Blends in Rich Razzleberry and Old Olive, dark and light. And I'll be demonstrating that during the 32nd Thursday. So now that we have all of our supplies, you can head over to my blog to see the supply list and also dimensions again, and click over on the supplies to get over to my 24/7 online shop. But let's get started stamping. Okay, there is our 32nd Thursday project that we made using the Happy Wishes Celebration stamp set that's only available to the end of March, and the Petal Palette bundle from the 2018 Occasions catalog. Hop over to my blog down below to see the supplies and access them on my 24/7 online shop. Make sure to check out my Stampin' Sunday video for the February paper pumpkin for your chance to win the March paper pumpkin free of charge. For now, keep stampin', Stampers. Thanks for watching. Bye.